everyone, today you meet me Preaw Perfect Homes again, and today I'm gonna show you about a room at Grand Parano. For this room, it's really nice room because this room have a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with the size 41.66 square meter on the 3rd floor. It's very nice, located here is on the around the Donjan area, and it's very convenient here because just here to this Central Airport, just 7 kilometers and 8 kilometers from here to the airport. And for this area, it's really close to the International School ABS and formal for school and Valley School. And back to the building, here on the 3rd floor, the lobby, they have a fitness center on my right hand. And for the top floor, they have a swimming pool. It's very nice. You want to see that? Let's go! Wow! For this room, it's very nice about the door. It's very safe for you. And when you come inside, you can see the kitchen in my left hand. And this room, they have everything for you, for electric stove and the home for you. If you have more something to keep the light salt and everything for ingredient, you can keep inside this. It's really big shelf for you can keep that, and the sink for washing your dish or both something here. And under this you can keep too. It's very big shelf. And for this area, you can put the microwave here, and they have a washing machine for you too, and the new fridge for you. Yes, it's very nice. And for here, they have a storage, right? It's really nice for you. You can keep everything here. You can take something here. And back for that way. They have a dining area for you. You can take a rest, dinner, or eat something here. For meeting something, and back for that way, you can, when you try, you can back to here for watching television. And outside you can see the view, the good view in the outside, and the balcony for you. And for this way, they have a store shelf here. You can keep everything here. And for this, if you have the friend and guests coming inside here for want to visit with you, you can change here. Sorry, can be the bed for you. It's like an extra bed. And now you want to see inside the room. Coming in. Let's see inside the room. I think it's a little bit big for me. They have the king size for you here. And if you want to work inside the bedroom, this is the bed here. You can see outside the good view. And I think this room is really nice color. It's a little bit bright, and for the clothes that you can keep inside is too big. Yeah, it's nice for lady, I think. And for you can make up for this way. And coming inside the bathroom, for this room is very good because they have a tub for you, and for they have a tub and for shower too with the big mirror. It's really nice. So talk with this room again. For this room is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with a size 41.66 square meter. It's really nice located because it's not far from the Chiang Mai International ABS School and for Mofort Valley School. It's really close to the town and for the Central Festival and for Central Airport. Just here to the airport 8 kilometers. It's very nice here. It's very beautiful for the place, and they have CCTV around the building, and for the card for you for open the gate for coming inside here, and they have a gym and swimming pool. If you like this video, if you like this condo or you want to see this, please contact here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video today. For thank you. See you next video. Please bye.